Hello? Okay. Figured out how to mirror. My name is Sam Samskis, and I made Frenstr. And the problem it's solving is it just helps you make new friends on Nostr. Because Nostr doesn't have any algorithm, so if you get on and you don't follow anybody, you don't see anything. Unless you go into like the global feed, and the global feed has, if you're a new user and you just sign up, it's just going to be all spam, because the only way to not have spam on a global feed is to buy a paid relay. Some clients will do that for you, but in general, I think new users who sign up, they don't know what to do, they don't see anything, and they might stop using Nostr. And it's just more fun if you follow people like Corn DeLorean or Sir Sleepy and all those people on Nostr. So I combined ChatGPT. My idea was to just, Nostr has all this data, public data available, and anybody can get it. You just ask the relays for data, they give you data. And I was like, what if I just give it to ChatGPT? I want to see like what it says. So I started experimenting, and I made Frenstr. So on the page, right now it's really simple. You can enter either an npub or a nip5. And then I feed that to, I get your 20 most recent events right now. I'm still playing with the how many events to get. And right now, once you create a description and I also broadcast it to the Nostr network with my Frenstr account. I have a testing one and a production one. And then once you make it, if I find it again, I just keep showing down. So eventually I'll probably change it. So like after a day or something, when it gets stale, you can make like a new description if you want. But I'm going to attempt a live demo. We'll see how it goes. So first, I'll do a nip5, one of mine. So that's Sam Samskis at Frenstr.com, which is a new one. And that should work, because I'm not even hitting ChatGPT on this one, because I'm just going to see if it's on the Nostr network first, because I already posted this. So for me, it came out pretty good. We'll see about other people. I think we can try one of the judges just to see. It's kind of risky to do that, but we can just try it. Also, I can just show you, so that description came from here. We were testing it out with a bunch of different users here, and that was this description here. So right after ChatGPT makes it, I just do a best effort to broadcast it to the network. I'm using Blaster to do that, which I think Tony made. And right now, it wouldn't work if Blaster's not working, because I just do a best effort with Blaster and try to blast it out to the network. But it's been working all day today so far. So let's try one of the judges. I got some npubs from Car, and I have not tested it out yet. So it might break, because I don't know if I covered all like the edge cases. So I got Buck, Nate, or Keon. Who do people want to try? Nate. Nate? Okay. Okay, let's try it. And yeah, I really like this loader. That's my Pepe loader. So you see it's taking longer, because it has to go out to ChatGPT and generate description first. So, but it did it, and you can see in the console too that I blasted it out to nostr.mutinywallet.com. So this is the description that I got. It does have kind of, huh? Oh, you can't read it. So, Nate, you can also check your Nostr, because it blasted it out to Nostr, and it mentions you, so it will show up in your notifications. So I don't know how accurate it is. For me, it came out pretty accurate. We tried it with some other people here, and it was pretty good. And it's just a fun thing to do, to just see what it says about people. And this is just the first iteration. After I get enough descriptions, then I plan to like give the descriptions to ChatGPT and say, okay, recommend like a few people that are similar to this person. That way you can find new people. You can also find new people by just following my Frenstr account. I didn't push it to production yet, so there's no notes yet on production. But eventually, if you follow it, you'll be able to see people that it's just giving you a TLDR on. But yeah, that's my app. Any questions? Okay.
How would you imagine, maybe just describe to us like the UI that somebody comes on? Would they see the descriptions of like very popular, frequently posting people?
Yeah, so I'm gonna continue working on this for the Bolt Fund Hackathon, I think, and then I'm gonna try to recruit a designer to help me figure out UX, because I can like stream like descriptions either as they're coming in, like on Zap Life LOL, or I can curate it, or I can just ask ChatGPT to figure out which ones to highlight.
Maybe you could ask the user arriving in Frenstr, what things are you looking for? I'm looking for, you know,
Yeah.
people who do a lot of comedy, or
Yeah.
people who are very technical, or people who are whatever, right?
Yeah, so hopefully I can find a designer to help me figure that out, because I also asked ChatGPT to just give me some adjectives about this person. I was going to put it as tags on the note, but I didn't do that for now. Maybe I can change it, because then I can use like Nosterban or something to search by the tags, and then
Like double layer GPT, where you take the person's request.
Yeah.
Right? I'm looking for people who are, and then it goes and.
yeah, I just got to be careful about expenses, because it can get expensive really fast if you just keep feeding everything to ChatGPT. So even like at first, I fed all the raw data, all the events, and that was kind of a lot. So I stripped them down. I just took out the content instead of telling it all the tags and everything like that, just to lower the price. I think right now for each description it comes out to like 0.002 cents or something like that. But I don't know if I can even make it more efficient. I can make the description shorter, because you can configure that in the API, I think. Like right now I just played with the numbers a little bit.